we support that, pero wag naman abusuhin. Kailangan lang magkaroon siguro ng consistent policy on issuance of and implementation of the letters of authority, that it would not be abused and again be weaponized for corruption.
Assurance lang natin na mahabol natin yung mga involved dito considering napaka-busy na yun sa Coast Guard or baka magkanya-kanyang lapasan na rin.
Ay, yun ang sakit na. But, you know, itong ghost projects, flood control, I think investigations are ongoing. Cases are being filed already left and right. Hindi tayo dapat mastall, no? Sabi ko nga ako kasi solution finder ako no? While of course, we demand accountability, dapat talaga may managot sa mga salary na ito, but we have to move forward as well. Kung ano yung dapat natin gawin, na dapat meron naman tayong mga bagay na dapat gawin na something to look forward to for foreign investments, local businessmen, na may ginagawa tayo. Kahit na meron tayong problema dito sa corruption, sa floodgate scandal, ang concern ko rito yung our stock exchange, foreign investments, naglalabasan, all-time low na yung stock exchange natin. We have to show something positive in spite of this scandal that we are facing. Pakita natin na those who are really guilty should be held accountable, but at the same time, meron tayo dapat mga positive na ginagawa tulad sa BIR, reforms, maging consistent tayo para naman magkaroon ng we can bring up trust and confidence in government, no? Dapat maging malinis, the reforms being instituted DPWH, BIR and others is very important in restoring investor confidence. Si Jet, yung aking partner sa Philippine pag-promote ng Philippine Motorcycle Tourism. She has parang 3 million, 5 million. That's big for someone like her na ubos sa savings sa bata, nahawa ko eh.
Pero can you name a company or a business?
I don't, hindi na lang. I don't think they would want that. Baka balikan sila.
Mall, fast food chain,
basta business na lang. They're manufacturing, they're in retail, marami. Different kinds.
Sir, kung magkaroon ng hearing ang Blue Ribbon nga po regarding this, should Lumagi, isasuggest nyo ba na imbitahan si Lumagi?
Probably to clear his side or to air his side, it will be wise for him to go, whether he took action or not. So, mahirap naman kasing pagbintangan siya, no? I think it should come